Hi, my name is Kirti, and I've been working with Tina since October 2022. And, I've actually been following Tina on Instagram for a few years, and that's what inspired me to want to work with her. I love the content that she puts on her Instagram, some things like how to get to your first pull up, how to execute a proper push up, or even how to reach squat depth. And it was like helpful tips like that, and our focus on really good form is what made me want to work with Tina. So since October, I've been powerlifting with her, and she's created this amazing community of strong women who motivate each other, who empower each other and support each other through each session. And where you're able to, through her help, we're able to recognize what good form looks like for a squat or for a deadlift, and we're able to help each other. When we don't execute those things, we're able to guide each other, and because we all want, we all want each other to, do it well. So she's created this amazing group of strong women, and it's very empowering, and I absolutely love that. Tina as a coach, she's always watching, and it's really funny. She'll be across the room, and you'll think that she didn't see you, but she'll correct your form from across the room. and it's really funny to me. And I love that, because I think having a coach that's always watching and paying attention is important. And even when I think she's not looking, she's looking, and I love that. And one of the things I've loved about having a female coach is that she can be very attentive to my questions, and she's very kind and just understanding. I'll ask her things about how to train on your menstruation cycle, and if that does really have an impact, because it's easy to get caught up in the world of social media, but and she's able to kind of help me, see through the stuff that you see online. And I'm very excited for the next few months, and I'm can't wait to see what the remaining sessions look like. And anybody that wants to work with Tina, I highly recommend it. She's amazing. She'll give you that gentle push when you need it, but she's very supportive. She'll listen to all your needs, and yeah, she's amazing.